Hi G-Fans, today I would like to review, thanks to my buddy Brendan, my Japanese Godzilla bank. Now the reason I'm doing my Japanese Godzilla bank is because the fact that he did on his YouTube video, please subscribe to him, his name is Brendan Bonner, but anyway, I'm doing this because he recently did a review on his Walking Dead banks. And so I told him that I was going to do my review on my Japanese Godzilla bank. Because I think it's pretty unique, because I've never seen it ever again, this particular one. And my father had gotten this for me when I was young at my local comic store, and I don't know how much he paid for it. I don't remember. I was kind of young when he got it, but anyway, it's really, really, really cool. And it kind of looks like it's based off the Heisei Godzilla, but I don't know. Well, I guess you could say it's probably based off the 1993 movie, Godzilla vs. Mechagodzilla, or aka Godzilla vs. Mechagodzilla 2. Because I'm looking at the year right here, and it says 1993, so I would assume it's based off that Godzilla, the suit. So, alright, anyway, I don't remember how much we got this for, and it was a long time ago. Guessing around 93, but anyway, Godzilla King of the Monsters, 1993, Toho Igai. I don't know if that's right, but yeah, it's not bad for a bank. Just the way it looks neat. And there's the bottom. And it's got a little winder here. You wind it up, and this is where the coins go. Oops. Tends to do that. I just gotta move it back in place. Okay. And here it says Everlast Toys. I'm assuming that's the company that made this, because usually everything I buy comes from Bandai. Like when I was young, with the comic store, they used to order this stuff for me when I was young, and it always was Bandai stuff. But apparently, this ain't Bandai, and I think it's very unique. And the reason it's unique is because you wind this little winder up, okay, and then there's a little thing right here I forgot to show you where it says, kind of a glare, but it says place coin here and press. So when you press down, hope it's not broke. Oh, okay, I didn't wind it up good enough. There we go. Now it's crazy. Crazy mother chucker. Okay, so pretty much you put a coin there, push the button down, and it spins and drops the coin in there, in behind. See, right there. So now, I'm going to take the camera and show you how this works. Coin there, push down. There. I kind of missed it, so I'll take the coin out again. Damn it. Okay. Sorry, we're having technical difficulties. I'll rewind it again. Okay. gonna try to get it this time. I'm just gonna put it right about there. Yeah, so here's how it goes. There we go. And that's how you get the coin in there. It's cute. I think it's kind of cool how it came with a little tiny thing to do something like that. Now, when I used to use this thing, it didn't really hold too many coins, but I really don't use it anymore. I use it every now and then, you know, like maybe just for like pennies like that, but it's empty right now. It's the only coin I put in there right now, so yeah, I think it's a neat little collectible. And I think it's pretty unique because I've never seen anybody selling anything like this anymore. So, yeah. And other than this bank here, I'm also going to add another little nifty thing. And my dad also got this for me when I was young, and he had gotten it for me from a gas station. And it was pretty cool, and since I was kind of young, he never really let me use it. But the only time I got to use it under his supervision, of course, was around 4th of July, and that's probably how it maybe died or something. I don't know, but it doesn't really work anymore. I probably used the hell out of it during 4th of July, but it's my Godzilla lighter. And from doing research, like if you go on YouTube and like type in this, the Godzilla lighter, you'll get one. There's somebody on there that has a video showing this in action, and it's called Godzilla Butane lighter. I think I'm saying that right, but yeah, I think it's neat, especially if it worked, but mine don't work anymore. It's not really an official Godzilla product either, not that I know of. It could be. I'm not 100% on that. Oh, scared me, but anyway, to get this to work, it has little red eyeballs there, and you push the arm down right here, and then the fire would come right out of his mouth, and then the eyes lit up red, crazy like, and then make a noise going some crazy ass thing like that. But yeah, mine, the arms kind of, yeah, see, the arms pretty much broke, and when they used to work, it would kind of like, it had like a little snapping action, like, you know, snaka, and then just shoot fire, you know, and yeah, cool sound effect. I don't know if it sounds just like that, but yeah, so I just thought I'd throw that in there because my dad got both of these items from me, and I treasure them a lot because I like to treasure a lot of Godzilla things that people buy me as gifts, and I believe these, I remember these were gifts, and you know, pretty unique gifts, if I do say so myself. I just wish the Godzilla lighter would work so I could show you how it worked here, but like I said, go do a search and you'll find a working one, how it actually works. You know, it doesn't sound like the way the sound I did, but you'll see how it actually sounds and works. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's my review on my Japanese Godzilla 1993 bank and my Godzilla butane lighter. And I have some good news also. Recently I've ordered my very first Godzilla X Plus figure. Now, I've been dying to get one of these damn things for a long ass time, and I finally took the plunge, saved up some money, and I finally did it. I finally purchased my very first Godzilla X Plus figure, and I am very happy I did. I haven't got it yet. I should be getting it maybe this week or next week, hopefully. I'm hoping next week, but Yeah, I ordered the 30 centimeter Godzilla 1984, and I got just the standard one. There's different versions you can get, Rick Boys and standards, but I'll tell you all that crap when I get the actual figure. I'll do a review on that right away, as soon as I can, when it comes in, and I'll tell you all the differences between that. But yeah, I'm very, very happy, and I can't wait to get that. I can't wait to get that bad boy, and very excited. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my good news, and I'm looking forward to getting in, looking forward to doing a review on it, because I love that damn movie, love the suit. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So okay, well, subscribe and hit that like button, please, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and like I said, any requests, please let me know, and till next time, peace out.